how to find account info settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account info settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here just click these 3 points and now click settings, and here you can find account info. Just click on it and you can manage here anything you want, like gender, language and theme, and just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find account info settings on Roblox mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.